cookie seat.
I didn't steal any cookies, you did. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Emma.
And we have a special secret delivery.
Yes.
Check it out. It's the new Fingerlings Sweet Tweets Bird, and we're gonna show you how to use them to share secrets. Hey, Emma. Let's get started. First, turn it on. Like all fingerlings, it's so cute and interactive. It really knows it's you. You'll see the heart on its head really glows and hear the heartbeat. Press the tail up to open the clip. Then clip it to your finger. There are 2 wing buttons and these colorful feathers. Watch when you press the wings. Each bird's feathers are unique, so it's a surprise what colors you'll get. There are 2 birds to collect. Debbie, the cute pink songbird, and Lionel, the silly blue bestie. Should we record a secret message?
Yeah.
Press and hold to record. Wait for the 2 tweets and the light before you talk. You're the tweetist. You can record your secret on or off your finger, but you can only unlock your secret message on your finger. Watch. See, she pressed the wings once.
No, you're the tweetist. No, you're the tweetist.
Your bird can only hold 1 secret at a time, and you can record a message up to 8 seconds long. Sharing secrets with your bestie is super fun, but check out what it does off your finger.
It repeats everything you say.
Literally everything. Make sure it's close to your face and you speak loudly so that it hears you.
I love you.
You can also press the wings twice, on or off your finger, for sweet tweets and bird songs. Or press 3 times for silly sounds.
Debbie. What's in there?
Are you ready for a secret challenge?
Yes, let's do this.
We've got 2 secret challenges. One is silly and one is sweet. Pick one.
This one.
It's a silly tweet. Tell your friend a birdie joke. What's a bird's favorite flavor? Sweet and sour. What sweet and silly secrets will you and your friends record?
My favorite color is rainbow.
Here are a few tips to make sure you're always having fun with your Sweet Tweets bird. When you talk to your bird, speak clearly and don't whisper so that your bird can hear you. You're my bestie. If you notice your bird acting strangely, like repeating the same sounds, try replacing the batteries. Turn your bird to the back and get an adult to help. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the battery compartment, then replace the batteries. Now you're ready to share all the sweet tweets and secrets with your friends. That's
All
for
today.
bye!